like
ready?
even like speed, but I don't know if you can.
How do you know?
No, but some of these you can like easily like
Yeah, as soon as I think you might get
pass
wet.
it out of it. Stuff that comes out of the bottom, you shoot water in.
At least they're honest and say you will get soaking wet.
It's always like that.
Hot day.
Huh?
It's a hot day. We'll survive. Oh, well. There's a big baby there. I'm sure it'll be fine. You'll stay dry, don't worry.
Come here, you big fish.
Very dark.
Oh my gosh!
Drop that thing.
It's waterproof. We'll be alright.
Yeah, but you don't want to drop it.
Yeah, well, that too, yeah.
See my shoe ring.
No. I'm Vortex, I'm gay.
Oh, no.
God!
That's not so good.
Oh yeah, right.
Let me leave! If that's
There we go.
Oh, no. Jeez.
Oh! Yeah,
I was not expecting that. I did not expect that. Okay. Oh, no.
Yeah. It's like avoiding that one was kind of. Oh, they're actually doing it also.
Oh man, I'm really
So much for keeping my bandage dry. Oh no, there's another
Well,
one.
there is a people dryer. We know it's one of these big machines you can walk into.
We all just have to go. Oh my God!
Oh, another one.
Why is it me?
This is not good.
so good to sit in the sun for about half an hour now.
Going back on another horse ride in a minute. Jurassic
Going on
Park.
another one.
Yeah, Jurassic.
Yeah. Should we try a bit first?
You don't get wet on it.
Oh yeah!
Okay, can we get Joe first? Because I am cold. Like, really cold.
Oh, that's it.
It was fun, but
I'm
too
not hot
cold.
anymore,
I'm not hot anymore, no. I don't think I will be for the next hour.
Until instructed with exit by a
Great.
Do they sell sponges in the shop? Just like sticking the
All
shit?
landlubbers, as your barge is approaching the dock, please remain seated until you're instructed with exit
Could have been
by a
worse.
Yeah, we could have got stuck underneath one of them. Could you imagine if it broke down underneath as you're going
They've had a
underneath
turn and roll
the
down to it. That was fun. That was Bluto and Bobby's barge build ride.
Fun.